Hello guys, I'm Mr. Ren in Qingdao Giantway. Today, we'd like to do an overview of our brush sanding machine. This machine is specially designed for sanding or edge breaking on shaker style doors and cabinets, sanding on open pole style panels and other furniture panels with profiles. This machine is configured with 8 working units. The first working unit incorporates 4 cross brush rollers. When running, the cross brush rollers rotating and oscillating. The second working unit is the same structure with the first one. The cross brush rollers are good for sanding the cross grooves or profiles. The third and fourth working unit are 11 counter-rotating sanding discs, and the sanding disc station oscillates from side to side. Sanding discs give a uniform sanding even into corners or small profiles. The fifth and sixth working unit are 2 counter-rotating longitudinal brushes. They are on one working station. Of course, the working station also oscillates side to side. The big longitudinal brushes are for more aggressive sanding and are good for longitudinal grooves or profiles. The 7th and 8th working units are same structure with the front two. Operating the brush sander is easy, just like playing on your smartphone. We have a touch screen in front of the machine. You can turn on or off every working station on it. You can set the desired rotating speed or oscillating frequency for the working units. Of course, you can set the working unit's height position and the press roller height position on this panel. Once you finish the setting up, you can save it into the program as a presetting recipe. You can easily go to the presetting page to activate the program you saved. Let's demonstrate the machine with the cabinet door. You will see how good the finish is after sanding. After sanding, not only for the polishing, but also for the edge breaking. After sanding, the edge breaking is very even, and the surface is very smooth.